Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are accompanied by Mr. Harley here, and we are making some lentil soup. It is one of my favorite soups. I make this about every 2 weeks, and it's something that lasts us for the whole week. Really useful for those quick lunches, quick dinners. We pack them in lunches in a thermos, or we have them at home. We have it at home. And so this is something that is packed with protein, it's packed with fiber, vegetables, it's super yummy, and it's super easy to make. We're gonna show you how to do that today. Before we continue, I want to invite you to subscribe and like my video. By doing that, more people get to see it, as well as simply sharing it. If you know somebody who loves cooking, who wants to learn how to start cooking, because I know this is a request I get all the time. It's like, how do I make a basic soup? You can send this to your friends who are just starting to explore the world of homemade soups and different things. I'll be posting more videos as we move along. So as you subscribe, you'll find out when I have a new video that is released. I really appreciate it. Also, I have a secret ingredient that I'm adding to this soup that I forgot to mention in my live earlier, which you'll see it's up here. I forgot to tell you guys what my little secret ingredient is that makes a huge difference, makes it really yummy. And maybe you can guess what it is before you even find out about it. Put it in the comments. Tell me what you think my secret ingredient is, or maybe what your secret ingredient to add to your lentil soup. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you over there at the stove. Hey guys, we are making the base for our lentil soup. I'm sauteing some onions that I have a little bit of salt with here, with olive oil, and they look just about ready to go, where we add our sweet potato, celery, and carrots. So I'm going to add that to here. Sometimes I add a little bit more oil if I need to here, but I don't think I need to. I will add a little bit more salt. Adding some sea salt. And I will be adding some water. Just enough to cover the veggies, and I'm going to make sure that it's on high. Just a little bit more. So it's just about covering the veggies here. And we're gonna have that boil. And once that boils, I'm going to be adding some lentils as well as some more hot water. Okay guys, so this has been boiling for about 10 minutes. And I wanted to mention to you that you'll probably want to add some herbs, some dried herbs if you have some. If you have fresh herbs, even better. Thyme is one of the best matches to have with green lentils. It's such a great flavor. And so you can add some dried thyme leaves. You can also add, I had some oregano from the garden, some dried oregano. I put a little bit of oregano in there. I also had added another bit of water, and so you want to keep an eye on it. If it's getting too thick, you can add some water. Make sure that it's hot water so it doesn't make it cool down too much. And we're almost ready to do the last few steps. All right guys, so it's looking really good. We've got a really nice soft lentils right now. And what I've done is I've removed the piece of lemon and the Parmigiano rinds. I put them aside. I also check to see if it's salty enough, which it is. And so this is where you may want to add some salt, pepper, and if you need to adjust any of the seasonings. The one thing that I would recommend doing with this particular soup is when it's ready like this, and you can put it on low, I would suggest using a potato masher and just mashing it a little bit, because we've got some sweet potato in there and some carrots. You may have put some regular potatoes in there as well. And this makes it even more kind of velvety. It's not going to completely, you know, blend it, but it makes it nice and homogeneous and gives it a nice, like a nicer texture, I think. So it's not going to completely mash the whole thing. Obviously, like you can see, there's still a lot of chunks, but it just allows those flavors as well to be released into the soup. And so this is kind of like my last step until I let it sit. I may add more water to this when I reheat it tomorrow, because it's going to keep on expanding, and I may keep on reducing it a little bit more. But that's it, guys. We've got our homemade yummy soup. It's so delicious and healthy. Perfect with a slice of fresh bread or focaccia, and you've got a really quick lunch, quick dinner, on the go or at home. Easy peasy. I hope you guys enjoy.